Hello and welcome to the Bareboot Traders community. Let's do a quick tour of the members area and what you will be getting access to. To log in, click on Members Home on the top right, then select Login from the drop-down menu. Enter your username and password and log in. This will take you to your dashboard. Right on the main page of your dashboard, you have a calendar with upcoming events and live classes. To the left of your dashboard is the navigation menu. From here you can access account information, chat, classroom, and lifetime webinars depending on your membership. Let's go through these. In My Account, you will find all your current membership details, account information, and past invoices. Towards the bottom, you can also set your email notification preference and check what specific notifications you would like to receive. Next is the chat. Here is where you will have access to the chat room where we host a pre-market show, live trading, scanners, and several events throughout the trading day. We recommend you use Chrome or Firefox on your PC or Mac to access the chat room. Enter the chat room name you would like to use when you log in. Let's go over some of the features of the chat room. Starting from the top left, we have the alerts and announcement window. Any important announcements will be posted here, as well as the watch list for the trading day. Entry and exits will also be alerted in this window. The next window is the main chat, where you can communicate with other members and moderators about trade topics. There is an off-topic tab where you can talk about non-trading related issues. At the top of the screen, you have the Benzinga logo. Click on it to open a separate tab with the Benzinga Premium News feed. This feature is included in your chat room membership. As news develops, it will appear here with a timestamp, ticker, and a brief header description. You can also search for a specific ticker to see if any recent news has been released. In the main window, you have the Trade Idea scanners and the Dash Trader Pro platform, showing the real-time entries and exits as we are trading live. Let's head back to our dashboard. The classroom and the lifetime webinar have the same layouts as we just saw in the chat room, but only used for specific purposes. Check the dashboard calendar to see when the next live classes are scheduled. Lifetime members can access the lifetime webinars via this link. Check the calendar on the dashboard as well to see when the next lifetime webinar is scheduled. In the Education Center, you have access to our educational material based on your membership level. Everything from basic lessons, advanced classes, to podcasts can be found in this section. Since it can be difficult to attend some of the live events at their scheduled time, such as classes, swing trading ideas, and the lifetime webinars, they are all recorded and posted in the Education Center so you can view at your convenience. New material is added regularly, so it is good to visit frequently to stay up to date. The Education Center also has the Downloads section that includes Andrew's Trade Ideas setup, the Dash layout, and the hotkey files. Following the Education Center, we have our Swing Trading section. This area has all the live recordings of our afternoon swing trading chat and the market recaps, talking about the overall market and swing trading ideas and setups. The next item in our dashboard navigation allows you to order additional Dash simulation time. If you want an additional 3 months of simulation, you can order it here. If you are trading with Interactive Brokers as your broker, we have a special Dash package that you can upgrade for the same price of $150 a month. Click here to see further instructions on how you can request this free upgrade of data to be included in your current membership for no additional cost to you. Thank you for watching this video tour of your dashboard. Once again, welcome to Bareboot Traders, and make sure to come back and submit a testimonial of your experience with our trading community. We look forward to seeing you in the chat room.